I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today I'm going to do a product review on the Alpinestars KR-Cell back protector. Okay, the KR-Cell retails for $99.95 as of the filming of this video. Remember, the prices can change. This is the most affordable CE certified back protector in the Alpinestars catalog. When I say back protector, what I'm referring to as one that has straps, waist, and shoulder that can be worn under a jacket or a race suit, not just an insert. CE certified to level 1. I want to talk about what makes this special. What do I like about this protector? Because I do. It's a great option for some people. This is currently the thinnest back protector that we have in our catalog. Okay? There are others more protective, absolutely. We're going to talk about that in a comparison video that'll follow this very shortly. But for some people, they just don't have the room inside the race suit or inside that jacket to fit that big level 2 piece, so it makes the KR-Cell a great option. You still do pick up a solid measure of protection. This is one-piece injection molded, multi-layer design, but injected into one mold, one solid piece. The material they use is really unique. It's flexible. The warmer it gets, the more it flexes, the more comfortable it becomes. Cellular design, thus the name. You take an impact on it, the cells are going to collapse against one another to manage the load. To further support that and manage energy, you have biofoam on the inside. When you look at this, it's very clear. The airflow through this is going to be epic. This is unrestricted. You're not going to, as compared to other back protectors, you're really going to reduce the amount of additional heat that's created by wearing this. This piece is also very light, tipping the scales at 1.5 pounds. Features and benefits that come with it and sizing. We've got a great size chart on the website for all the A-Stars back protectors. I really encourage you to use that. How this is done. This particular model has 3 shell sizes, but there are 5 sizes available on the site. Extra small is 1 shell size. Small and medium both share the same shell. Large and extra large also share the same shell. So overall, the large is going to be the same external footprint as the extra large. What differs is going to be the length of the waist belt. Like I said, our size chart on the site actually includes that. If you're a little bigger around the middle, you can go to the extra large in lieu of the large to have a little more room with the waist belt. Realistically, the large has plenty of room to grow for me. My waist is 33, 34 right now. It's the holidays. Please don't judge. This leaves me plenty of room to grow if I want to eat a bunch more great food and maybe drink a bunch more Corona Light. Options available from A-Stars. You want tailbone coverage. They sell this optional tailbone pad. It velcros right on. That's going to slide right down in your suit or your riding pants. It's also moldable and flexible. The tailbone, if you break it, that thing really hurts. It's cool that it accepts that. Adjustments available. The shoulder straps are both removable and adjustable. You're also able to install the KR-C chest protector if you choose to on this by simply removing the shoulder straps and installing the KR-C. Okay, you can see that I've got the KR-C chest protector installed now. What that does, now you have integrated back and chest protection. It is sold independent, of course, of the KR-Cell. Entry and exit, all you're going to do is unzip here, slide your arms through, of course zip this back up. From there you will use the waist strap as you normally would have. The waist strap on this is a 2-stage strap. The first one, you're going to get close. It does have some elastic built into it, okay? So you're going to get this not super tight, but a little snug, and then you use the second layer to really dial in a little tension around the waist. This is a nice feature. When you get towards the end of the day and you're feeling a little weak in the core, you can really snug that up, and it kind of bolsters you in that area, just kind of rejuvenates you a little bit. Helps you spring up a little faster. It's a nice feature. I like that they built it into this protector as well. This is the all-new Alpinestars KR-Cell back protector.